Have you ever tried to open Adobe Illustrator only to be stopped cold by a frustrating error message stating that the program cannot start because MSVCP140.DLL is missing from your computer? This is a common but incredibly aggravating issue that usually happens when the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable libraries on your system are either corrupted or completely absent. But don't worry, because in this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to fix the MSVCP140.DLL error in Illustrator quickly and effectively. If this video helps you get back to your creative work, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let's dive into the first and most effective solution. The core of this problem lies in the Microsoft Visual C libraries, which Illustrator needs to run properly. You need to head over to the official Microsoft support website and search for the latest supported Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022 redistributables. Once you are on the page, download both the x86 and the x64 versions. It is absolutely crucial that you install both architectures, even if you are running a 64-bit version of Windows, because Illustrator often depends on these specific shared files. If you already have these installed and are still seeing the error, perform a repair. Go to your Windows control panel, navigate to Programs and Features, find the list of Microsoft Visual C redistributable entries, right-click on them and select Change, then follow the prompts to repair. After you have either performed a fresh install or a repair, you must restart your computer for these changes to take effect. If you have done all of that and the error persists, there might be a deeper issue with your Windows system files. This is where the System File Checker comes in. Click your Start menu and type in CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the black terminal window opens, carefully type in sfc/scan now and press Enter. This process will scan your entire system for corrupted files and automatically replace them if it finds any issues with your DLL libraries. Wait patiently until the scan reaches 100%, and if it reports that it found and repaired corrupted files, reboot your PC once more. As a final resort, if you are still facing the error, a clean install of Illustrator is the best path forward. Uninstall the application through your Creative Cloud desktop app or via your Windows system settings. Once removed, head back to the Adobe Creative Cloud portal and download a fresh, clean installer. This will ensure that all dependencies, including the DLLs that Illustrator requires, are correctly registered during the installation process. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that MSVCP140.DLL error for good and get back to designing. If this guide helped you resolve the error, please show your support by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy designing.